welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video I'm going to be doing something a bit different but kind of exciting. I recently subscribed to a Geek Gear subscription box, and if you haven't already seen it, I recently went to Harry Potter World, and if you didn't know, I am a complete Potterhead. I love everything to do with Harry Potter. It's like I wish I was in that universe so I could go to Hogwarts, you know what I mean? I'm kind of a little bit obsessed. So I recently subscribed to a Geek Gear subscription box, and I subscribed to the World of Wizardry subscription box, and I am so excited. Oh my god, this is the first ever subscription box I have ever subscribed to, and this is the March box. So I'm obviously super excited to see what's inside this box. I haven't looked at any sneak peeks or anyone else's videos. I know Cherry Wallace does video unboxings of these boxes, but I haven't watched hers yet, but I'm so excited to see what's inside this box. So I'm sat on my bed, a little informal video, just sat here chatting with you guys, unboxing a good box. So if you want to see what's in this box, then keep on watching. Please also like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hopefully will be making this a series. So if you want to see what's in the box, then keep on watching. So the box looks like this. It looks like Newt Scamander's suitcase from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. It's super detailed. It looks awesome, and it's got the Gryffindor and Hufflepuff scarves on this side, and then the Ravenclaw and Slytherin scarves on this side. And if you didn't know, I am a Ravenclaw, hence the blue jumper right now. On the website you can choose whether you want a specific house themed box or whether you have like random. I obviously chose to have specifically the blue box. That's a blue for Ravenclaw. So this is going to be all to do with Ravenclaw, and I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, right, let's open the box. Oh, such a good sound. Love it. Okay, so in the box, so we have blue tissue paper. Like, it's got little World of Wizardry logos all over it, and it's obviously blue for Ravenclaw. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm not going to look, and I'm just going to pick out the first thing, which is a t-shirt. Let's close the box on and sneak peek. Okay, so it's a black t-shirt. Let's open it up. Oh, it's Professor Lupin. Oh, look. It's got Professor Lupin and then his wolf. Oh, this is so cool. This shirt material is really soft. I really like this. This would make a perfect bed top. Or it's quite like, I mean, it's quite understated as well. It's like not really in your face like crazy, so you probably could get away with wearing it outside. I mean, if you don't really care, then by all means wear it outside, but I think I'm going to be using this as a bed shirt. This is so nice. Oh, it looks super comfy as well. So really like that first item. Cool. Okay, let's have a look. I can feel. Okay, little box of stuff. Oh, what's this? Handcrafted house wax stamp set. Oh my god, yes! I have always wanted a wax stamp set. So this is what the box looks like. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, and it comes in like a really cute little box. Oh, look. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. You obviously have this little blue stick which is obviously like the wax. So I assume you can get like little tea lights and maybe like a spoon or something, and like melt the wax into the spoon and then pour it on your piece of paper and then stamp it. So that's so cool. Okay. And then the stamp is this little knobbly stamp. It actually feels quite weighty as well, which is nice. I'm not sure what the words say at the bottom. I think it says Ravenclaw, or maybe, or is that Hogwarts? I'm not sure, but the stamp itself is, you probably won't be able to see this, but the stamp itself is actually a Ravenclaw house crest, I think. So I'm gonna have to like stamp the wax and see what it actually says. Does it say? Oh, no. It says wisdom. That's what it says. Wisdom. Oh, stupid. I can't read. It's backwards. That's why I can't read it. It's backwards. It says wisdom. Obviously, Ravenclaws are known for like studying and reading and being really wise. So that's obviously why it says wisdom. And obviously, if you're Gryffindor, then it's probably going to be like, I don't know, courage or bravery. And if you're Slytherin, you'll probably be like cunning, or I don't know, you know what I mean. And like Hufflepuff will be like loyal, or you know what I mean. But no, this is so cool. I've actually always wanted a wax seal stamp set. That is awesome. I'm gonna have to start writing letters to people so I can like seal the back with a stamp. That's so cool. I love that. Okay, next. Oh, there's so many things in here. What's this? Okay, this one. Oh, it's socks. We have socks. Okay, let me open them, get them out of the packet. Oh, ooh, they feel really nice. So this is the socks. Oh, it's got like a little tie and a little shirt and tie. And obviously it's blue because Ravenclaw. These are actually really cool. I think I will actually get a lot of use out of these. I like that they're black and like blue and kind of understated. I can get a lot of use out of these. Oh my god, and they feel really nice quality as well. Yes. Okay, right, next. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, what's this? Ooh, cookie cutters. Okay. Oh, there's 3. Okay. I'm not sure if this goes with anything or whether they're just cookie cutters. But this is so cool. So we have a golden snitch. You can remember, see, you have a golden snitch. Can you see that? Shaped cookie cutter. And then we have a sorting hat cookie cutter. Can you see? Oh, there we go. That's better. So we have a golden snitch and a sorting hat. And then, what's this? Is that an owl? Do you think that's an owl? I think that's an owl. Yeah, it could be one of the creatures from Fantastic Beasts, maybe. So we have 3 cookie cutters. Oh, that's so cool. Apparently Geek Gear do recipes for things now, so maybe this goes with like a recipe that we're gonna get. I'm not sure. I need to get the folder as well, actually. I need to get the binder to put the recipes in. So let's see what else is in here. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Multicoloured pen. Oh, I used to have these when I was a kid. Okay, let's... my mind is being really sidetracked-y. Okay, so it says there's a Harry Potter authentic Weasley and Weasley spinning top pen. Quality Weasley goods. So this is what it looks like. And it's like got the clicky bits around so you can like change the colours. And then it says, what does the spinny thing at the top say? It says Weasley and Weasley, Weasley authentic is what that spinny top thing says up there. That's so cool. Aww. I love how like colourful the Weasley products are as well, because it always just reminds me of like candy packaging. And like, oh, I love it. This is so cool. Okay, next. What's next? I've got paper things. Oh, so I found the handbook. I'm not going to look at this yet because it will spoil whatever is left in the box. But I was right, I found the cards. Okay, so we have magical butter cookies. This is what it looks like. So that's obviously what the cookie cutter shapes are for. This is like a big foldy out recipe. They look so cool. I really want to make some. These would be so cool if you were having like a birthday party or like a sleepover or something. That's awesome. Okay, and what's next? Fever fudge. Oh, isn't that one of the things that the Weasley twins try and sell people at Hogwarts as fever fudge so they get to skip class? So this is what it looks like. It's super colourful. That's so cool. Okay. And next we have butterscotch fudge. Oh, that sounds good. That looks good too. Look at that. Oh, I'm 100% definitely gonna have to get the binder that goes with these so I can put them all in nicely in the nice little binder. That's so cool. Okay, what's next? Okay, I think we have 2 things left. Oh, we have some pins. Oh, we have pins. Okay, so this is jumper, scarf and tie. And obviously these are blue and grey for Ravenclaw. So if obviously you're Slytherin, you'll get green ones. Hufflepuff, you get yellow ones. Or Gryffindor, you get red ones. But that is so cool. So we've got the jumper, the scarf and the tie there. That is really cute. So we have the jumper, tie and scarf, and they're like really nicely done, kind of cartoonish enamel pins. They're so cute. I'm like slowly starting a pin collection. I only have, I think, 3, is it 3 or 4 Harry Potter pins? So I'm gonna add these to my collection. That's so cool. Okay, and last big item, we have this box. It's got a little tag on the box and it says, "To Ron, tried fixing your wand, hope it works, love mum." Wait, is this a wand? Tried fixing your wand, hope it works, mum. I think it's a wand. I haven't actually looked at any like hints or, you know, little giveaways or like anything to give away what was in this box before I opened it. So I like honestly have no idea what was meant to be in this box. But I think this is a wand. Try fixing your wand, hope it works okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have some cool wrapping paper. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. Ah, it's a wand. And it's like been mended with speller tape. That is so cool. Oh my god. It's actually got like a fair bit of weight to it as well. Like, this is really nicely made. So that's the bottom of the wand. This is like Ron Weasley's first ever wand. The one that broke when I think it was, well, he tried how did he break his wand? Oh, it was in the Whomping Willow, wasn't it? When in the car in the Chamber of Secrets, and it snapped, didn't it? So obviously Mrs. Weasley has tried to mend it with speller tape, but obviously it didn't work. But this is so cool. Oh my god. I'm going to add this to my wand collection now as well. This is awesome. By the way, I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm using natural lighting. I haven't used natural lighting in a long time. I usually have my big soft boxes. But because I'm just sat down just quickly filming this video for you guys, I didn't bother putting up my soft boxes. So I'm trying to like rely on the sun. But it's currently like half setting, so the lighting might go a bit funny from time to time, so I'm sorry about that if it bothers you. Just thought I'd let you know. But anyway, no, this wand is so cool. Oh, I love it. I'm definitely going to add this to my wand collection. I need to figure out a proper way of displaying my wands, because I have a couple of wands and I also have made a couple of wands. I'm so sad, but I love it. I love arts and crafts. So I've actually made a couple of wands out of chopsticks, and I've made my own personal wand that Pottermore have like given me when you get sorted. And they're currently just like in boxes, and I really want to display them, but I don't know how. So if you have any good ideas of how to display wands with limited space, then please let me know. But this is awesome. Ah! This is probably my favouriteest thing in the box so far. And lastly, we do have one more thing, if I can get it out of the box. Oh, okay, it's a print. It's a print of Fawkes. If you don't know, Fawkes is Albus Dumbledore's bird that sits in his office. This is actually a really nicely done print. This is really pretty. This would look really, really nice, like in a frame or something. I might have to go and find like a nice frame for this, or maybe save it for when I move out and like hang it up somewhere. But this is so nice. It's so detailed. I really like that. That's awesome. So I think that is everything for this box. Oh, I just have to say, this wand though is so cool. So if you've made it this far, thank you for watching this video. I'm hopefully going to be making this a series, so every month I think we get a box, and so every month I will upload my unboxing of the box. Yeah, so this little pamphlet you get with it obviously shows you all the things you get. So you got like your wand, you get the little pen, you get the cookie cutters and the recipes. They're the different pins you can get, and the different socks you can get also, and the different stamps. And then you get your t-shirt here and your print. So it shows you everything you get in the box on the little leaflet, and it tells you little bits about them and stuff like that. And then on the back of the leaflet you get your hint for, I think, next month. So it says next month box is, and it's got a picture of Sirius Black in Azkaban with his little like number card thing. So that's the hint for next month. I'm not going to look at any other social medias or any other websites or anything before we get the box, so I don't ruin it for myself, because I hate when I do that, when I ruin it for myself and then I already know what's in the box and whatever. But I don't want to do that. I didn't do that for this box, so I'm not going to do it for any of the other box. So we know from this little hint it's something to do with Sirius Black and Azkaban Prison, so that's going to be super, super cool. If you like this video, then please, please, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. And also, if you would like to, you can hit that little notification bell, and then you'll be like notified whenever I upload a video, so you won't miss my other unboxing box things, my other Geek Gear unboxings. I can't talk today, what's wrong with me? So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!